Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
To troubleshoot a noisy natural gas regulator, first ensure it's properly installed and secured. Check for any blockages or debris in the regulator and the gas lines. Inspect for leaks using soapy water. Bubbles indicate a leak. Examine vent pipes for proper clearance. If noise persists, adjust the regulator's pressure setting following manufacturer instructions. Consult a professional if the problem continues, as incorrect handling can be dangerous.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.